So now it's time to try and paint the letters. So what I've done in the past is I've just sprayed the silver spray paint in a lid and then used a little art brush to dip it in there, try and wipe it off, and then just paint. And as long as you do it quick enough, all the solvents and stuff are still in there and you get the paint up on the brush. And as you see here, it seems to work this way too. I've done it before for the minion carvings I did, but it works this way as well, so that's cool. That bodes well, and how well it turned out here bodes well for the plan of trying to put silver for the lettering on this. I think it should work really cool. And there we go. I only had to spray once and I actually sprayed a little bit too much. There's the paint. It's Krylon metallic silver. That's the specific number if anybody cares. And that's what it looks like fairly close of when I finished. And there's a little bit further away, so I think it's going to work really cool.